What's up everyone, and welcome back to our channel Skincare Learning, where we talk about everything skincare and dermatology. Today we're diving into a huge topic we felt needed to be addressed: the best retinols and retinoids you can buy. It's been a long time since our last retinol video, and we've never covered our favorite retinol products before. As always, my favorite retinol won't be the same as his favorite, and it might not be the best for you. So, we're breaking everything down into categories: the best for beginners, for acne, for dry skin, and more. Let's get into it. Benefits of retinol. If you're new to this channel, we need to revisit our graphic on retinoids. Retinoids are a family that includes retinol, which must convert to retinaldehyde or retinol, and then to retinoic acid to be active in the skin. All these fall under the vitamin A derivative umbrella called retinoids, with other generations like adapalene and tazarotene. Retinoids are foundational in acne treatment, anti-aging, and photoaging skincare, acting on almost every step of hyperpigmentation and acne. If you can tolerate a retinoid, it's second only to sunscreen as the best skincare ingredient. Dermatologists often talk about it because it improves skin texture, reduces fine lines, wrinkles, dark spots, hyperpigmentation, and melasma, and treats acne effectively. Best beginner. Retinol. For those new to retinol, this is crucial. Many are still entering the retinol space, which makes sense as we age. Starter retinols are important due to potential irritation. We want ingredients that are gentle and tolerable, if not the most effective, to help you ease into retinoids. Retinol, needing conversion to retinoic acid, is generally gentler, though there are exceptions. Starter retinols often have hydrating ingredients and lower concentrations to minimize irritation, with the goal that you can eventually move to stronger products. Interestingly, retinol can be absorbed and stored in skin cells, released when needed, which helps minimize irritation compared to something like tretinoin, which can't be stored. With gentle retinol and a soothing vehicle, our picks include the CeraVe Resurfacing Retinol Serum. This product uses encapsulated retinol for gradual release, making it more tolerable, with additional calming ingredients like licorice and niacinamide. Another good beginner option is Kiehl's Retinol. Known for its microdose formula, it slowly releases small amounts of retinol to avoid irritation but maintains efficacy. It includes peptides, which are great complements to retinoids for reversing photoaging, and ceramides to restore the skin barrier. If you're a Kiehl's fan, you'll likely love this product. Best retinol for dry skin. For dry skin, we recommend retinols in moisturizing vehicles. Moisturizing creams with retinol can help hydrate and soothe the skin. Olay Regenerist Retinol. 24. Night Moisturizer is a top pick, featuring peptides, niacinamide, and a soothing base. It's effective, moisturizing, and comes in fragrance-free and fragrance versions. Another option is Roche-Posay Retinol Correxion Deep Wrinkle Night Cream, known for its stability and long-standing formulation. Again, choose the fragrance-free version to minimize irritation. Best retinol for the body. Using retinol on the body can provide similar benefits to facial use, improving crepey skin, texture, and hyperpigmentation. Versed Firm Ground Retinol Body Lotion is a great option, larger and more affordable than Paula's Choice. It includes retinol, jojoba oil, and squalane, offering hydration and anti-aging benefits. Applying retinol and sunscreen on the body is essential, even though it's often neglected. Best retinoid for acne. Retinoids originally targeted acne, reducing oil production, normalizing skin cell turnover, and modulating inflammation. Adapalene is a standout, available over the counter in products like Differin Gel and Roche-Posay Adapalene Gel. Both are effective and affordable options. Prescription options like tretinoin and tazarotene are also highly effective, especially for stubborn acne. Consult a dermatologist if over-the-counter products aren't working for you. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, we appreciate you always. Thank you for being a part of this journey with us. We'll see you in the next video.